No regrets. Do you want to learn how to sing the chorus? Yeah? Alright, so repeat after me. Hey ho, let's go.
Hey ho, let's go.
I like it. Dancing and singing for free.
Dancing and singing for free.
I said, hey ho, it's time, don't you know?
Hey ho, it's time, don't you know?
He seems really fun with it. You see what we're destined to be.
See what we're destined to
Alright,
be.
do you want to sing along? You ready? I said, hey ho, let's go. Dancing and singing for free. I said, hey ho, it's time, don't you know? See what we're destined to be. When we were young, we just didn't know what life been waiting for us. Falling and learning, making mistakes to learn how to pick ourselves up. We're starting to age, we started to notice this change in the world going on. By the time we were 18, we just walked up enough to know what was right and what was wrong. I'm singing, hey, oh, let's go, dancing and singing for free. I said, hey, oh, it's time, don't you know, let's see what we're destined to be. Well, I'm grown up with the years under our belts, the older the wiser we are. I've been our fair share of the good times and bad with the drinking and the fighting in bars. Well, we'll do it our lives one day at a time. We got scars, so we'll never forget. And looking back on the things we have done, the things we will never regret. Sing, hey, dancing and singing for free. I said, hey, it's time, don't you know? Let's see what we're destined to be. Alright, you ready? I said, hey, oh, let's go. Dancing and singing for free. I said, hey, oh, it's time, don't you know? Let's see what we're destined to be. So your turn, you ready? I said, hey, oh, let's go. Dancing and singing for free. I said, hey, oh, it's time, don't you know? Let's see where we're destined to be. Let's go. Dancing and singing for free. I said, hey, well, it's time, don't you know? Let's see what we're destined to be. Yeah, let's see what we're destined to be. Yeah, let's see what we're destined to be. Don't you know? Yeah, to see what we're destined to be. Thank you very much. That's the most practiced original.